What's up, everybody? I'm happy to be back. My name is Andrew and I'm with Silver Knight PCs. Today we are building a budget PC at $600. It is our initiate build with a couple of small upgrades. We recently had to change the case of the initiate build just because they stopped making it. If we happen to see them, just because they were decent cases, I think we'll scoop a couple up. But for right now, we're going to be rocking this case. Right quick. So, good angle, everything. Yeah. Alright. So, we got all the cables managed on the bottom. Most of them coming out of this hole. We do have to separate those just because of location. We got this zip tied and everything tightened up in the back. We have all the cables routed around here. You can see a little bit of the cable in the back end, but I don't think that's horrible. Most of the cables routed up here, and then everything routed in a fashion where you're going to be able to not see all the wires. Alright guys, so today we built this PC. It didn't take forever, about an hour and 50 minutes with a little light conversation. So here we are, really clean. Everything's managed perfectly in my opinion. We got one more fan to add in the hub, and then we'll be able to get this guy up and running. So thank you guys once again for hanging out and chilling with us. Don't forget to stay tuned on social media. We got a lot of cool things coming up, a lot of cool videos coming out on YouTube, and a lot of cool Twitch streams here in the very near future. Don't forget guys, if you do want a custom PC, don't just hit us up on silverknightpcs.com, fill out the build request form, and request that your build gets streamed on Twitch, or you get a YouTube video as well. One of the best ways that we can work with each other during the earlier processes of you getting a PC, especially if you're a creator, to be able to hype your community up as well as ours about some of the awesome things we're able to do together. All right, so thanks again, and I will see you next stream. All right, have a good one.